All right, the problem of this industrial machine here is that the stitches is loose. As you can see right now, it has a loose stitches, making the sewing not good at all. So in case yours is having this issue, you're going to find out how to solve the problem today. So if this is a video you would like to watch, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe as we begin. So whenever you're having a problem like this, the cause of this problem, the major cause of your sewing machine to be having those stitches is the tension. So the first thing you need to do is to tighten this tension, like as I'm doing now. Make sure you tighten it properly. As you are tightening, you're also dragging the thread to get the proper adjustment. So while tightening, just be dragging. So this is my own now. As I'm tightening the tension, as I'm dragging the thread also, it's still very loose in my hand. It's not even, there's no sign. So that's why I'm losing the tension now. So in case yours is like that, maybe when you're tightening the tension and the thread is not even feeling as if it's getting tight, you lose the tension and bring this spring. This spring that is what controls the tension. So if you just try to expound it, even if you're having this issue in your local machine, that's the same thing you do also. This one is very hard. This is a strong spring, so just look for a way to expound it so that it will open. That's when it can be able to hold the tension very properly. When you're tightening, it can be able to tighten the thread. So just go ahead and do what I'm doing right now. So after doing this right now, you go ahead to put back your spring back to the tension and just couple it back to see the outcome. So just tighten it properly. Remember, when tightening, make sure you're also dragging the thread to feel the weight, the tightness, that you not over tighten it too much. Alright, so let's check it out now. Alright, so let's check out the outcome of it. Let's see the results of what we just did now. Wow, this is nice. As you can see it here, the stitches is so good. The machine has just come back to the way it's supposed to be. So in case you're having this issue, this is the first major thing that you have to do on your industrial sewing machine or manual sewing machine. When you've done this and it did not work, that's when you can go ahead to do any other thing. So if you did this now and it did not work for you, so you can also check out my other videos that also display on the screen here to be able to solve the issue you are having. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. This was really helpful to you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video. See you on the next video.